What's the dumbest reason someone refused to believe you? I was taking my final exam when I noticed pages 3 to 4 were missing from my test booklet. I raised my hand to let my teacher know. Miss Stacy, my test is missing some pages. She walked over, glanced at my booklet, and her face immediately hardened. Come with me, she said loudly enough for everyone to hear. In the hallway, she crossed her arms. Where are they? Where are what? I asked, completely confused. The pages you removed from your test. Did you think I wouldn't notice? I stared at her in disbelief. I didn't remove anything. The pages were already missing when you gave it to me. Impossible, she snapped. I checked every booklet personally this morning. She marched me straight to the principal's office, announcing to Mr. White that she'd caught a cheater, and that I'd deliberately removed test pages to somehow use later. I tried explaining that made zero sense. How would missing pages help me cheat? Why would I immediately report it if I had removed them myself? Mr. White seemed uncertain, but deferred to Miss Stacy. They called my mom, who left work early to come in. Emma would never cheat, my mom said firmly. Miss Stacy shook her head. The evidence is clear. The pages were removed while in her possession. Then my mom asked the question no one had bothered to ask. Can we see the other test booklets? Reluctantly, Mr. White had Miss Stacy bring them in. As they checked each one, they found 3 other booklets with the exact same pages missing. The truth, the printer had jammed during copying. Miss Stacy had never actually checked the booklets. Instead of apologizing, she simply said, "Well, you still disrupted the exam by making this an issue."